You are going to love the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, chrome wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.